I got my tarps down. I am working carpet. Whenever you're doing any type of drywall painting, you always want to put down plastic, tarps, even an old sheet, anything just to protect your area. It is a messy trade, so you always want to put down something to catch your mess. Tarps are easy on these small jobs because I just roll them up, shake them out, put them in the trash can, shake them out, so it's easy. So I put down some masking paper. If you don't have a masking machine like I do, you can just put a piece of paper, tape, plastic, anything there. I'm going to be spraying the Killz stain blocker on the stain, so I don't want to get it on their wall because we don't want to turn this into a painting wall job. So we're just working on the ceiling area, so we're protecting the walls. This stuff, when you first buy it, you gotta really shake it vigorously, get it mixed up good, because it is a thick material. So on these stains like this, I like to always just pre-spray, just in case there's anything loose. Some textures, like popcorn, that are stained, you can't scrape them, of course, but regular textures you like to spray. But there's nothing to it. It's just like spray painting. You just spray paint over the stain blocker. You just do a nice one coat, just like spray painting, and then you just let it dry. Same thing here. Here's another one. So I like to go through and I just do one area at a time. Same thing, you just shake it up, go through, and you see how it just makes that stain disappear. That's why it says blocks tough stains, sticks to all surfaces, so it seals it up. When I get into drywall repair areas that can be refinished, you just want to scrape all that loose stuff out. This one's a seam, so I'm going to get into that actual tape seam and dig that out really good, but I like to get all the loose stuff. These ones I don't need to do any drywall repairs to, but this area is going to need a drywall repair. And then around the fan area, same thing. I just scrape everything out. Even though I'm going to do drywall repair, I have the can out, so I'm still going to spray this on to at least get it to start to dry. Around the fan. This is just a one coat that I'm doing right here. Before he goes and paints the job, he's also going to follow through with a roller stain blocker primer over all the new drywall and this whole ceiling area, and it'll really make it disappear. But we pretty much got rid of all the water stains just like that, and I haven't even used a half a can of Killz primer. This can's about $5, $6. And you could even let this set up. It dries pretty quickly, and you can do another second coat right over it. Just a quick second coat. And you can go the opposite direction that you sprayed, so you get both angles, every direction, so it doesn't shadow. And just like that. Now there's no stains on the ceilings. I used about a half a can of this, and I still have enough for the next job. But these are the secret to these, so that it doesn't clog. Before you put the can away, you always tip it upside down. Give it a quick spray. That kind of clears out the spray head, and you're good to go. And I like to always give it a quick shake. And with this, it is a spray paint, so if you're able to open up windows or doors, you always want to do that, because this is a strong stuff. So I'm just going to let it breathe. Let the room breathe while I work on this drywall repair. So now this seam, I'm going to let the Killz dry a little bit, but I'm going to start working on this drywall repair.